racing. Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to 14.7 to 1 Racing Network. Today we're going lawnmower racing. It's going to be our first real test day for the lawnmower. I had it out once before, but kept kicking the secondary chain off. So we're going to get it back out on the track today. We're going to see what it does, and if we have problems with it, I'll update you guys on that. If it runs good, I'll update you guys hopefully on a win today. I will see you guys at the track. Okay, here she is in all her glory. This is the problem we had to fix down here. This lock collar. And we did some beefing up on the tensioner back here. You can see these pieces were added. It's because it kept kicking that chain off. So we're going to go out for some hot laps here and see what it does. I figured I'd give you guys a real quick rundown of the setup here for a track. So this is our area where we come onto the track. This is turn 2. Turn 1 over there. We got about 150 feet of straight, I believe. About a 500-foot track all the way around. I may get checked on those numbers. I'm not 100% sure that's correct. Yeah, we get going pretty fast. I'll have a computer soon, and I'll be able to give you guys a better idea of what our lap times are looking like and what our speeds are looking like. But for right now, you're just going to have to enjoy the show. I'm going to go up and get ready to bring the mower out and test it out. Hope you guys enjoy it. Okay, so we got number 69, Purple Lamborghini, out for a few test laps. Chain's staying on for right now. We'll see how it does in a race. I'm pretty confident that it's going to stay on, and I'm pretty confident that we've got a good chance of winning this race. We got a new competitor out here today, me, my dad, and one other guy. It's going to be awesome. We'll see what all the pro mods will do out here today. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we will be we'll be doing the drivers meeting here soon. Right after the drivers meeting, we'll be getting ready to race. We do our classes slowest to fastest. I'm going to record as many of the other classes as I can for you. If I miss one, forgive me. I might be working on the mower, might be getting ready for the next race, who knows. So hopefully we have a good race, good, clean, safe race. See you out there. So I was informed of a minor tech infraction. I was missing a key piece of equipment here. Supposed to have a A on the side there to indicate that I'm running alcohol. Just in case of any fires or anything, so they know what type of fuel we're all running. Got that on there now. So we are good to race. So I just went home to get some stuff from my house, and there's a little baby snapper here. I'm gonna get him off the road. Okay, save the turtle. Okay, unfortunately, as you saw in the video, my chain blew off again. This is going to be a constant problem. We're making a lot of horsepower out here. Lawnmowers aren't made to make 100 to 110 horsepower, believe it or not. At this point, I think we're at the point where the back axle is actually flexing from the amount of horsepower it's making. We may have to dial back the horsepower a little, as much as we don't want to do that. You never want to do that when you got a race machine, but you do what you got to do. I'll give you guys a look inside the secondary here. So here's the inside of the secondary. This is your jack shaft. Comes across from your primary. Put your power back through here. Here's your tensioner. This seems to be our problem area. Chains walking off the tensioner, falling off of everything. Okay, so the day didn't exactly go how we planned. We worked on it during the one intermission. It's broke again. That's racing. We're gonna send it back to the shop, and we're gonna take a good look at it, see what's twisting, what's bending, what's breaking, and I will see you guys at the next race. Have a good one. Okay, so we made it to the track just in time. Mods are on the track. We're up next. Gonna go ahead and see what it does. No test laps this time. Just jumping straight on the track, straight into a race because I was running late today. That's my fault. Hopefully it stays together. That's all I can say. Okay, so that race went pretty good. Chain stayed on. That's a big win for us. Didn't actually win the race. We finished, I think, third to last. I don't know. It got real messy. You guys will see. You'll probably be able to tell me better than I know. Sorry about all the noise in the background. People working on their mowers. A lot of people broke. I'm excited for the next race. We got stuck in traffic in the last one. Didn't do quite as well as we had hoped. But in this next race here, hopefully we'll be able to give my dad a good run for his money. And hopefully Ross will be able to get his machine back out there. He's the 28 that you saw, the red machine. Kept broke on the last lap. Yeah, not exactly ideal. Same thing again, secondary chain. Not sure what's going on there. I think the decision for right now is going to be to just park it for the race. So I think the decision right now is going to be to park it for the race. It's actually just a fun race today. 30 points for showing up. I got my points, showed up, did my laps, broke my stuff, and I will give you guys a talk when we get back to the shop with the mower and let you know what the future plans are for it, and hopefully we can come up with a game plan that's actually going to work.